So it's as usual, it's a Friday afternoon, so I'm rushing now to go and pick up my kid. But before that, I have to clean this rabbit cage. And the rabbits, finally, like I said, I've discovered what makes them stay alive, and that is to keep their cage as warm as an incubator. It took me like so many rabbits to realize this simple fact, but really, people, no, just now, like in the morning, I was thinking that before I make a video, should I like prepare a script and all? But then I realized, no, yeah, I mean, there's enough of all that prepare scripted things on YouTube, on TV, on everywhere. So spontaneous is best. And in the morning, I was watching a podcast. I mean, basically, I was binge watching podcasts. Normally, I never do this. Morning is a very sacred time for me. I do my yoga, meditation, and all. But it's called Beer Biceps. And oh my God, Ranveer, the gentleman is here. He'll blow your mind. I mean, the kind of content. So just I mean, he's such a popular. He's got like 2 million, 7 million views, 2 million, and yeah, 7 million views was Amol Prasher's. If you type it, it'll come up. But otherwise, Beer Biceps is one particular YouTube channel everyone on this planet should follow. So really, people. So it's already crossed a 1 minute video. I will catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.